Very good morning, student. As you know, we have completed the evolution of UNO, United Nations, the objective of UNO, and what UNO evolution, jurisdiction of the UNO, right? And in 1997's Kofi Annan suggestion for new membership. Now, in this video number 6, we have studying about India and UN, right? First of all, we know that United Nations established on 24 October 1945 and India joined it on 30 October 1945. And India was the first country to raise issue in UN, and India started raising issue in UN in 1946 and play a leading role in formation of subcommittee. India raised the voice of apartheid in South Africa. Apartheid means the institutionalized racial segregations that existed in South Africa and West Africa. This is the racial discrimination, black and white. India raised first time this apartheid or discriminations issue from the South Africa in 1946. So what the India and UNs, what India does and what India did. India is only state with nuclear weapons that constantly support the call for total nuclear disarmament. India himself as a nuclear power, as you know, but India only agree if all the country, those who having nuclear weapons, must be demolished. There is no discriminations if they keep their weapons with him and enforce other country to sign in the matters or in the disarmament matters. But India opposed. India only supported call for total nuclear disarmament. And other what the India plays role in United Nations, India contribute almost 2 lakh troops in 50 out of 70 UN peacekeeping missions. There were total 71 peacekeeping missions since 1955, 45 to 50s. India contribute in 40 peacekeeping missions and play a major role. And currently India contribute more than 76 military and police personnel to UN peacekeeping operations, right? So this is a very important that India playing a leading role, contributing all parts and all knock of United Nations. India also support and enhance the role of United Nations in development, expanding council which is more representative. A role in shaping those decisions which affect them. India support an increase in number of both permanent and non-permanent member, because you know that India is the largest democracy in the world, and after the end of the Cold War, the total scenario of the world politics change and new emerging power came into existence, new economic power came into existence. India also support increase the number of permanent and non-permanent members, because the UN established in 1945, and this is a so long gaps. There is no changes have been take place in United National organizations. So India focus on such changes, because this is totally the stagnant till its birth. So this is totally vain. So why should India? If we say that India should be the permanent membership in UN Security Council, to why? What things make India the permanent members? Right? Though why India's permanent member? So there is some questions. India is the second largest populous country in world. 1/4 population, 1/5 of the world population. 1/5. Suppose though there are 50%, so 10 is from the India, and India is also largest democracy in the world. India participated in virtually all of initiative of the UNs, because India played the major role in UN's peacekeeping mission also, send their troops, right? Role in UN peacekeeping efforts, economic emergency in the world, because India is the very largest in populations, the largest democracy in the world, and largest emerging power in the world. That's why India must be permanent member of the Security Council. Right? Hope student you have got this today. This is enough for today. This video. Have a good day, and thank for watching this video. Thank for watching this video.